Okay, now go around a bit more. We'll see how it goes. First gear, make sure it's first. Right? First gear, and then move around the circles on first gear. When I tell you to stop, stop. Go ahead. Okay, so this is my brother. He's going around. I'm teaching him how to... Don't worry, just... Yep. I'm teaching him how to ride my bike. As you can see, my bike doesn't have any yellow plates because, as I said, I have full license. I am not an instructor, but this is my brother and I have a full license. Therefore, I am teaching him how to ride this bike because this bike will belong to him. And so, I'm showing him how the bike operates, how to ride around. I'm telling him right now to ride in circles pretty much. He will ride in circles for a couple of minutes. He already did the right turns, now he's going the left turns. And I want him to get used to it. Second gear. Very good. You're already on second gear. That's very good. And he's going around. He didn't ride any bikes in the past, but he's doing fine. And right. Alright, stop. Good. Okay, neutral. Right. Now I'll teach you how to do the U-turn. The U-turn is basically you turning around somewhere. On the street you may have a situation where you have to turn around. You're going into a wrong street, for example, and you have to turn around. Now you can either get off your bike and turn around your bike manually, which is, I think it's proper, but if there is no such way to do that, for example, and there is moving traffic or something like that, it's not safe to do so, then you have to do a U-turn, perhaps. Doing a U-turn is not that difficult. What you have to do is just look where you're going. So now imagine this 1, 2, 3, we will make it easier for you, 4. This is your road. So this is the first lane, this is the second lane. So this one goes, for example, there, this one goes over there. So this is your road. Now you are going this direction, let's say, and you imagine you have to change to that direction. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna check your shoulder like that. You check your mirrors, but you don't have to do it on the ground over here, but you check your shoulder to the right. If you're here to the right shoulder, you check if there is someone coming, if someone is passing you. If no one is passing you, then it's safe. This is called lifesaver. It's called lifesaver for a reason, because if you don't check and something is there, you're gonna drive into it or ride into it. So you do lifesaver. You check behind your shoulder like that. Your mirrors don't cover that area. Where you check with your shoulder, your mirrors will not cover that. Your mirrors will see what's happening over there, but the mirrors will not see what happened over here in this space, pretty much. So you check your shoulder, and then you look where you want to go. So you look over there because you want to go to that side of the road. You don't look there and turn. You look over there. Slow control. Back brake if you have to. Put your foot on the back brake. Very little revs. Just slow control. Clutch in. Slowly push it out. Keep it in one place when it bites. Back brake to slow the bike down. Don't use the front brake because you will stop. You will lose the balance. And then turn around, watching the way which you want to go. So you go this way, and then the hands will turn where you want to go. You have loads of space. It doesn't have to be between these two lines. It doesn't have to be between this and that one. Just between these two, this and this parking area, it's fine if you do it. So you can go around between those 4 and those 4. So if you go around a bit, if you start from here, for example, stay here, stand here, and you start and you do the U-turn. So you have a lot of space. Just make sure you're looking that way, and slow control. Okay, try it out. You can start from this line and just go straight. I'll show it to you. Just go straight like that. Right shoulder check. You can keep it like that, or you can just look forward a bit and then do it again and then turn. I am suggesting to you because it is much simpler right now. So what you do, you start the bike, go slowly. If you feel it's too fast, apply the brake. Apply the brake and keep it a bit, slow it down. So you're going, you do the shoulder check, and then you turn. With this shoulder check, you turn where you want to go, and the bike will turn that way. That's a U-turn. It's very simple. Try it out a couple of times. If there's something wrong, I will show it to you. No problem. Go. Okay, so I explained to him, in my words, pretty much, what's the U-turn. I'm not expecting him to do it for the first time. Don't use the front brake. Back brake, use the back brake to slow down. Okay, stop. Okay, there's lots of space. What you can do is just go. Imagine you're going forward, straight. You don't have to look left or right, just go straight for a bit. Like 1 or 2 meters, go straight. Make sure you have enough speed, good speed, not too fast, not too slow. Don't try to add any type of power at the turn. Just try to turn. Have enough speed, try to turn, and remember about the head. Right, shoulder, and then head. Alright? Try it. Again, don't worry. Look ahead. Look ahead. Look ahead. And now left. Right, sorry. Right. Yeah. Look towards me. Slow it down. Okay. Just go stand like that again. Do you want me to show you? Okay, stop over there. It's fine over here. Hold it. Okay. Turn it off. Always turn it off. And take a... hold the brake. Put your leg out. Yeah, hold the brake. Put your... Yep, this leg out. And put the side stand on. No, the side stand. The normal one. Yes, this one. And that's it. Alright, let me show you how this works. Okay. Up. I'm used to the different bike. Anyway. Okay. Alright, so I've started. Okay. So first of all, clutch control. Weight bites. It starts pulling already. See? It pulls. I don't have to add anything. It pulls itself. I can actually leave it and it will go. Like that. I can apply some brake. I don't have to do anything. What I'm telling you to do is actually learn to clutch control. I can do that, but you can't. So if you do this, I'm looking straight, lift, like that. It's going a bit too fast because it's going a bit too fast. I'm not clutch controlling it. But let's do up. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, so let's say this is the space, right? I'm going forward a bit. And there we go. Something like that. So again, forward, head, and turn. You can add some power if you want to. I am adding power because it dies. So if it doesn't die, as long as you look, it will turn. But if you have too little power, add a bit. But the fluidity has to be there. So for example, if you want to add the power, you do this. You can add in kind of burst and it will move, but you cannot control that. I am used to that because I have this bike for 3 years. I can do that. You cannot do that because you don't have this bike. So I can control it. So the best thing to do, first of all, learn to find the catching point. When you find that point, let go. Let go. let go, and then let me finish. Use the back brake to slow down. Back brake to slow down. Every bike has that. Every bike. There is no bike. Well, there is one type of bikes. Automatic bikes don't have that. All manual bikes have that. As you can see, I can ride with one hand. I have my foot on my brake over here, and I have to do nothing. I can ride around with one hand, and there is nothing I have to do. I just have to look where I want to go, and the bike will go there. No, I don't have any type of gas. So basically, find this catching point, and you can ride around like this. But it's not recommended, because on automatic bike you cannot do that. On automatic bike it's a bit different, and I imagine you want to do on automatic bike CBT, or you want to do on manual. Okay, so for example, if you want to do automatic, both of these are brakes. There you don't have a clutch, you don't have gears, you don't have a clutch, you just go, stop, go, stop. Yeah, so you just control with this hand. You just control. Yes, it's much easier, that's why it's automatic. With this one, as I said, this bike will go, because it is created to this one goes faster actually than normally, because it goes about 7 miles an hour, or maybe even more, without my input. Normally those bikes will go 4 or 5, but this one goes faster. So you can do that, but I'm not recommending that, because you cannot learn how to control your clutch. So first of all, okay, let's assume you already know how to control your clutch. So let go a bit. See, sometimes you can actually die. You have to find this biting point, and slowly, very slowly put it away, and then it goes. And remember about the back brake. The back brake is over here. If I don't use it, I'll go too fast. So I don't use the back brake. My back brake is not used, and the bike goes almost 10 miles an hour. So in the traffic I can go like that, no problem. It's pulling much faster than normal bikes. Alright. Okay? Alright, so don't do that for now. What you have to do is get used to it. But for today, try to find this point and let go. And use the back brake only, don't use the front brake. Use the back brake and then ride around a bit. And then if you want to stop, clutch in, back brake. Don't use the front brake because it's too low of a speed. If you push it too hard, you will stop, you will lose balance. This one is for the speed. If you use it too much, and you lose balance. You get that? Okay. Sit down. I'll hold it for you. Yep, that's a. You have. You can actually, when you get on the bike, you use the front, but then you let go of it and use the back. And after you are, going like 20 miles an hour, you use the front first, not the back first. You use the front first because the whole weight will go to the front, which is where the engine is and stuff like that. So that's what you're supposed to do. Anyway, try a couple of more times, tight turns. Let go slowly let go, and tight turns. If you cannot, just clutch in. If you think it's dying, clutch in, back brake. Clutch in, back brake. And try a couple of times, go around. And now look where you want to go. Look where you want to go. If you want to turn, look where you want to go. Look my way. Look my way. Look my way. Look my way. Look my way only. Don't look that way, my way. No. Focus on me. Good. Focus like this. And you will turn. Focus, focus, focus. You're doing good. See, it's not very hard. if you are going too fast, back brake. Back brake. Don't have power, any power, you don't have to do that. Back brake. And look at me. I'm doing kilometers here, say. Alright? Now stop. Clutch in. And back brake. And this, yes, this leg out. Very good. Now, try to do that, but with U-turn. So, you do this, you turn, and you stop. You don't go anywhere, you don't go around circles. As I said, look where you want to go. This time you're turning left.
I have to stop there,
You can stop over here somewhere, doesn't matter where you stop, but just stop.
I mean facing that way, yeah?
Yes, facing that way, that's a U-turn. So, when you're ready, let go of it, slowly. Back brake, don't add any type of power.
Yes, yeah.
No power, no front brake, back brake only. This one let out slowly. Hmm? This is accelerator. Yeah, don't accelerate, just the back brake. This let go slowly and look the way you want to go. So if you want to go left this time, look left. Look as much left as you want, as you can, and slowly go. And back brake. And stop. Stop. Try again. Now this time, go forward a bit first.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah. Go forward, and then tight turn. U-turn, and stop over here if you can. In front of me, over here. Okay, let's go. Yeah, look at me. 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 Very good. Stop.